Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DYM token from Dymension. Now Dymension is spelled with a Y, just like the token name. You can find their Twitter right here, at Dymension. You'll see it's a very well established project here with 145,500 Twitter followers. Doing very well on the socials there. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 22nd. We're going to go over the information on the Dymension token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Twitter is up there. They also have a Discord group you can join. They have Medium articles, document section, brand kit, GitHub, Twitter, Telegram, all these links, and you can find them on their webpage. Dymension.xyz, or if you want to go right to the documents, you just go to docs.dymension.xyz. Now they have a portal here linked on their Twitter as well. You can see that there, portal.dymension.xyz. You can click on that as well. And it was just announced today, January 22nd, 9 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on xt.com. So if you're looking to get the DYM token, all you would have to do is download XT from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DYM, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Dymension is a network of easily deployable and lightning-fast modular blockchains called Rollapps. And then they have a document section where you can learn your educational guide to Dymension. You can build your own Rollapp, or validate, secure the Dymension network. You can also click on light paper. So it says, present-day blockchains operate as shared bandwidth systems which impede the growth of decentralized applications. So Dymension disaggregates resource consumption by introducing a multi-layer blockchain protocol with robust tooling for building and deploying permissionless application-specific rollups. Dymension is akin to a hub and factory for such applications, which are referred to as Rollapps. In this document, we examine the technological, economic, and social aspects of the Dymension protocol. So first, a Rollapp instance in Dymension is an application-specific rollup built using a Dymension Rollapp development kit, term RDK. The development kit is a pre-packaged set of generic modules for common functionalities such as creating accounts and token management. The RDK simplifies the process of deploying a Rollapp on top of a Dymension hub. So a Cosmos SDK proof-of-stake chain, which utilizes the Tendermint core state replication model for networking and consensus, contrary to monolithic blockchain, Dymension's settlement layer, also referred to as the Dymension hub, is specifically designed to provide an optimized service for rollups, such as rollup servicing logic, and enshrined within the settlement layer, resulting in a hub of native interoperability between rollapps. So rollapps natively interact with the inter-blockchain communication, the IBC protocol, which provides safe message transferring between Dymension rollapps and Rollapps leverage the common communication ground for all Dymension Rollapps and the Dymension Hub. So the Rollapp virtual machine, the RVM, Dymension introduces a novel dispute resolution mechanism which simulates a Rollapp execution environment within the Dymension Hub. The Dymension Hub spins up an RVM instance which is being fed within the exact context of given transaction, resulting in deterministic output. As such, Dymension is capable of supporting various execution environments. They also have the Embedded Hub AMM. So Dymension embeds the native automated market maker into the Dymension Hub to achieve shared liquidity on top of a shared security. The AMM is designed for Rollapp facilitation and is regarded as essential infrastructure for Rollapps. This embedded AMM is the sole application logic on the Dymension Hub, which is not restricted for Rollapp usage only. So there is a full light paper you could check out as well. So the learn, validate, build section are all available on docs.dymension.xyz. So go check that out. Now their Telegram's not doing as well as their Twitter is. You can find it at Dymension XYZ, and they have 4,116 members on there. 845 of them are online. But that is a great place to join the conversation regarding this project. Now, in a nutshell, it says, home of the Rollapps, Dymension is a home for easily deployable and lightning-fast app chains called Rollapps. Easily deploy your own consensus-free blockchain and accrue more token value for greater security. And you can build a Rollapp right on their webpage if you're interested in that. Or you can run a node. They're in the Dymension Hub that I mentioned earlier. So that's available on their webpage, dymension.xyz. It says, shift the consensus with Rollapps. Autonomy, your own blockchain with maximum flexibility and minimum overhead. Performance, scale, just like the traditional low-latent servers by outsourcing consensus to the Dymension Hub. And liquidity, instantly tap into the concentrated liquidity in the Dymension Hub. So you can check out, basically, you can click on validate the network. You can click on join the core team if you want to try to get hired, I guess. Contribute on GitHub or build a Rollapp. And their new token here just got listed. I'm not sure how new it is, but it doesn't specify. But you can check out the portal, too. It has tons of stuff on there. That's where you can start using things on there as well. And but the DYM token here, it says introducing DYM. And this was just January 18th, a tweet from them. And it's got 18 decimal places on this token. Basically, it's split up. 67% goes to target DYM staked, 1% min annual assurance, 10% max annual assurance, and 8% initial assurance. And so you can check this information out here on their document section. There's a whole section here about demand, growth, and distribution of the token. And check it all out. Oh, there's even a vesting schedule, all that type of stuff. It just got listed. It just got introduced January 18th on their Twitter right here, and it just got listed here on xt.com. So go check out XT at XT Exchange on Twitter has the brand new listing announcement. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment, check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.